Okay, hello for part 2.
Teka mo yung hammer ko, it matched my avatar. Don't vote,
Akin
don't
din.
vote, don't vote, don't vote, don't vote. Please, 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 please. J.
Arcade tayo, arcade. Ay, spaceship. Spaceship is nasaya kita. Boom! Parang neneng.
Jacob, that sounds nasty. Teka yung hammer ko. Mama siya,
Mukha siyang
ganda.
pokpok. Nagpupokpok siya, guys.
May ganyan din ako eh.
Pokpok kita sa ulo.
Banhammers.
Akin tignan mo.
Ako yung pokpok na bobo.
Daddy, ba't ako killer? This is gonna be
Lilib
harassment.
yan. Guys, I can't be killer because I'm sick right now.
Don't let the killer get you.
Ha?
Oh, the typing sounds really good here. Parang Among Us. Bro, ang bagal ng progress.
Easy ha. Hindi niya ako kita.
I heard peace sound for a second. Naka-stalker ba siya? Stalker? No. Stalker?
Hacker leave.
No,
Wow.
no more leaving. No more leaving porket talo.
Papalo
Guys,
tayo ng
gamper
bata.
siya, gamper.
No action na.
Crispy pa. Busy. So dumb.
Grisby bata yun.
Crispy grita yun eh.
I think bro is a little too laggy.
Crispy grita. Hindi
I'm
ko
on my-
makita yung N eh.
I'm on my second computer.
Me too.
Wala computer, guys.
I keep hearing him, tas nawawala, tas babalik, tas mawawala.
Hello, hacker.
Get over here, Daddy. Give me that link.
May hilaway. Kakautot. Ammonius. Yun. Funny. Laos na yan eh. Oh, ano kaya?
I miss that.
Nakita ko.
Kitang-kita talaga kita.
Yeah,
Yok.
Anong kita ko?
I didn't know you was following me.
Yung mga joke na yan, laos na yan eh, inaamag na yan.
Pag sinabi mo kasi yung N-word sa black person directly, ganun yung racist.
Pero kasi,
Boy, ako.
ni-request lang to eh. May nag-request eh.
Guys, help in advance na ako.
In advance.
Request?
Requista.
Always alert naman. Uy. Furry cake.
Jacob.
Furry cake. Furry cake. Ay, hindi. Nandun pa siya. Tingnan mo yung red bar niya.
Camper.
wow. Did you hear that sound? So
What's
satisfying.
Kinda like this map now.
Fur. Idig. What the?
Uy, hala, tae. Wait. Camper!
Ano dito talaga?
Camper.
Camper! Nice! I got hit, Jacob, and he's dragging me somewhere else.
Help, ambarada.
Bro, hey!
Taga-ambarda.
Teka, ang bata.
Salamat po.
Gam.
Gambara bobo.
Abum dila kakain. Abum dila kakain.
Stop.
Help!
Freeze Freeze back!
Gamber.
Freeze back! Freeze! Wait, guys, I think I'm about to die. See you soon. See you soon. Easy, fat. Bro, where was I supposed to go? Fat. Following me. I will tell you guys where he is there. Tapos pupunta siya dyan. Ganun.
Galing. Naman.
Ayan guys, malapit siya sa plant tsaka sa ice. Tapos may plant ulit. Nasa second floor siya. Oo, ayun.
Uy!
Ay na, bumaba na siya. Nasa ano siya? Ayun doon. Ayun o, may yellow.
Ika lang!
Wanna see my yema?
No.
No!
Baho yan.
Oh.
Baho yan.
Mama ko! Wag ako!
Ay na po guys, pinalo niya na po yung pet niya.
Flat na ba tulad ng mga mukha niya?
Kurt, tolong ako, Kurt.
And the oldest trick in the book.
Ay na po, papunta na po skirt dyan. Joke lang. Uy! Ayoko. Ito na nga siya dun.
Ang maswi.
Skirt.
Tolong
Kurt
ako.
ditching Arica. Kurt ditching Arica. Teacher.
Yes.
You should lie. You should. Yun lang kakagatin kayo.
Uy, dugo na yun.
Go up the stairs. Ay, fatty. The door up there is... The door's up there is open. Open na yung door dyan. Oh,
Uy!
wait. Okay, Arica kinda ate you up there. Yan.
Whoa! Oh,
Other door is open. Basok na lang kayo dyan. Bumasok. Go inside! Ayun na siya. Ayun na siya. La! Ayun na siya.
Look,
ay, na-disconnect!
Bro, yeah, and that's not fun.
Gumber.
Sorry guys, I disconnected. My internet's acting up.
Real. O yan guys. Ito yung map. Ay. Ito. Guys, ito guys. You can pick this.
Yan,
Pick
come here.
this if you really like furries.
Oh!
What?
Over here.
Pick this if you really like furries.
I like them in a neutral way. Oh, fine, you got me.
Yeah. I said pick this if you like furries in a neutral way. That's what I said.
Sayang, I wanted to switch.
Oh, I wanted to...
Bro!
Sorry, Jacob, I'm on a diet.
Guys, so leave na ako.
Hey, sluts.
Is Rian? Did Rian join?
Is that does that sound Rian?
No, bitch.
Oh, is that Wendy? Oh, I can't hear.
Okay. Chris told me I'm going to join y'all.
Is Wendy talking?
Yeah, he's talking. He said that he hates you so bad. He's fat. Just kidding. He said Chris is
Yo,
gonna
girl.
join.
Hoy!
You fat.
Aid. Girl, you didn't eat. You ate McDonald's, bitch.
Nah, don't eat McDonald's. I'm on a diet. Unlike you.
Revolve. We own the night.
SOS alert, guys.
Ito, SOS alert to. Tapos dito ako.
Galit ko yung ano mo. Wait lang!
Ka nandyan.
Wait lang. Bigyan mo ko 10 second head start. Oo, di ba?
1, 2, 10. Fat hoe. Ayoko. Ali ka.
Ang ako.
Ikaw naman. Hmm. Guys, wag kasi kayo ganyan. No, walker sila. Kinagahak. Huwag ka mag-hacker, Johan.
Johan Morales.
Moral lesson yan.
Lesson. Fat.
He can jump.
Fat and word.
This is
Dapat lang
unfair.
say that. I'm sorry.
It's unfair, you know? Like, every time you hit me, a part of me dies. Okay?
Girl, nobody cares about you, bitch.
Girl, shut up. Alright, girl, help. Homegirl.
Gamper.
Anyway, so...
Help Johan.
Go help Johan. Woo, Riley. Go. Riley.
Bye, guys.
Riley gaming.
Riley, balik ka sa
Rally Malik Delgado.
Riley.
Daddy long legs.
Riley. Go save the
Girl, you better help us. Jacob's hacking. He hit me through the door. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, tip. Oh.
Oh.
Patrick, come here.
Oh,
Uy, joke lang. Joke
no
lang.
more
Uy, joke lang.
drink.
Ako, ano ka?
Because he lost, okay?
Diba? Joke lang yun. Huy, joke lang yun. Wag ako. Wag, boy. Wag. Lamig doon,
Uy.
lamig.
Wag boy.
Boy! Boy, wag ganun, boy, ah.
Pre, wag yan, pre. Uy, Paldo.
Jandel,
Wait lang, boy.
Boy, wow. Boy, lika dito, boy. May sasabihin na sa'yo, boy. Boy! Boy, wag ka ganyan, boy.
Oh,
No, saan siya dun?
oh.
Kurt, you save Arika. I'm hacking a computer right now.
Akay mo!
siya.
Akay mo!
No.
Ngayon eh.
I got hit as well.
Are you?
Oh.
Are we delicious? Are we yummy-licious? Are we waffle-licious?
Kasi na, pag ako talaga nag-camp, wala magre-reklamo.
Ako magre-reklamo.
Johan, now, please. I'm gonna die.
I did the most computer. I helped. Help.
Hey guys. Guys, don't run. Don't run from Moripe, don't run.
Moripe.
Enrique, don't
Where am I going? What? This
Pat
dude's rigged.
Enrique.
Enrique.
Enrique, I'm about to die. Enrique,
guys.
why are you hacking?
Enrique.
Wait, I can't. Oh no. No. Wait, I can't. Wait, where's John? No!
Enrique.
Kita ko guys late.
Naririnig ko si footsteps niya.
Wala naman. Fuck you.
Ito siya.
Ah.
Enrique ka. Enrique.
Wag ako.
Why is Arika scream like that, bro? It's like a TikTok scream.
Enrique, no!
Wag ako.
Ayaw tara, 6905.
Wait.
Jacob!
Wait lang, wait
Jacob,
lang.
Jacob, Jacob, answer this question. 10 plus 10. What is 10 plus 10?
Sa ako.
Enrique.
21.
Uy!
Ayan.
Run, Enrique.
It's gonna shoot! It's gonna shoot! Run! Run, buddy! Oh!
Nahulog siya. Hulog siya sa stairs.
Usap ako, usap tayo. Wag. Wait lang.
Wait lang. Hala, yung part ko, hala.
Ayoko na.
Easy, Pat.
I've been laughing way too much. I don't have the energy to laugh.
I would have left.
I'm actually getting so mad. Kasi, don't leave when you lose. That's extreme sore loser shit.
I am a loser. So,
Johan, not a loser. A sore loser.
oh, a sore throat?
Ito.
Wag! Ako yung beast. I can't.
Wait, ako pipili, guys. Ako pipili.
Random na lang tayo. Arctic Station tayo, guys.
Bro,
Dito.
Gusto ko to. Oo.
Random na lang natin, guys. 1, 1, 1. Uy!
I hate you. He's gonna kill us all. He gonna kill me.
This airport.
Wait, tara.
Namat po.
Don't hide very fast.
oh, you dig in it.
Everyone, we need to lock in immediately.
Oh,
Oh, that baby boo. Super baby boo.
oh, you dig in me. You dig. Look at him.
Jacob naman! When I laugh, it's just air. Bala ka dyan, kakatayin kayo ni Kurt.
You dig. You dig in it. Dig in it, man.
Ano pinapalaw niya, guys?
Ba't siya nag-whisper, nagbubulong siya?
Yung baby.
Kanina ka pa.
Sino yun?
Sino kayo?
Yan in the room. Yan in the room.
No, I'm not.
Oh my god.
Uy!
Please.
Walan.
Wait, Arca's down?
Yeah, I'm down.
Up, down, up, down!
I'm down with down syndrome. Yeah. Na nga. Wag.
My E is not working! My E! Actually, it actually works.
Fat hoe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Very, very much.
Yun na lang.
Kurt's coming there. Kurt's coming there. Kurt's coming there. Kurt, I did. Nandito pa na siya. guys.
Photo shoot.
He's still here. Go
Photo
save
shoot.
Erica.
Photo shoot.
It's
Go
actually
save Erica.
strangle half.
Go save Erica. Easy, Pat. Papunta na siya dyan. Papunta na siya.
Over the moon. I'm on my way over the
My
moon.
battery is getting low. And soon it's my time to go.
Over the moon.
Over the bakut.
Over the puwet. Over the puwet.
Easy, I'm not saving you.
Okay. That's that how it's gonna be. Alright. I can do that.
Alrighty.
Thank you so
I'm gonna
much.
do that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Very, very much. Oh, here, hitbox. Leave.
Hindi.
Very nice.
Easy
Wait,
fat.
tawag ka mama mo.
Hindi.
Tawag ka mama mo. Andyan si Johan. My battery is getting. And
Sabi
soon my time to go.
No, too late. Too bad to class.
Sipat ka pa sa sabi dyan na.
Okay guys, sasabihin ko kung nasaan siya.
Oy!
Uy!
He's near you, Arthur. Run, run, run. Run, go, go, go.
Hindi na pa kayo.
They're downstairs, Johan, the one near.
Uy, kuha ako ni ano.
They're in the cooking. They're in the kitchen. And they're in the transport area. Oh yeah, yan sila. Kurt's going somewhere. Kurt's going to the kitchen. He's in the kitchen.
Yung matay na ako
He's,
dito.
he's somewhere. He's in the hallway. He's going there. He's going there. He's in the kitchen again. He's in the kitchen. Yeah, he's in the transport area. Run.
Open!
He's sad. Run.
Yung ko nun.
Okay, wait. Kurt's chasing for Arika and Kurt
Arika,
got two.
Arika, if you get caught, I'm so sorry, I can't save you anymore.
Kurt just got juked, bro. Juke box.
Joke lang! Ayoko
Okay,
na.
that's for live.
Ayoko na, please.
He's in the storage area.
I can't do anything.
And
Arika's gonna die, and I know it.
Oh, go save Riley.
Go take her for the moon for me.
He's upstairs. He's sprinting. He's going near the airplane. He's going down. He's in where I died. Where I was captured earlier.
He's
Now
at the other
He's
exit.
in the hallway. Yeah, he's at the other exit.
Wait, no, that's not the exit.
He's at
It's the airport.
he's
It's
out,
the
he's gonna
garage.
go out the
Garage.
He's
He's
in the
outside.
garage.
He's going up the
The
airport.
airport.
Virtual airport.
He's in the airplane. He's in the airplane.
May airplane pala,
Just-
airplane.
He just sprinted. Okay, now he's in the
He's inside the airport.
He's
Second
upstairs.
floor.
Like,
Now he's
down,
downstairs.
down. He's going down. Okay, now he's gonna keep searching. He's in the hallway.
He's in some lockers.
Yeah, he's looking inside the lockers and
Yeah.
the hallway again.
Look at that one, bro.
He's in the lounge. He's in the lounge.
Ito siya, tapos pupunta dito, oh.
He was near the
Oh,
elevator. Now he's in the coffee shop.
Punta na siya dito.
He's in the floor panel. He's in the
Punta na siya dyan.
panel, control panel. The panel. He knows where you're hacking.
Punta siya dun, oh, dun.
He's trying to go there. He's in the hallways. He's going up.
Punta siya dun.
He's going up. He's where I died. Second floor. Down to the storage area. He's now in the hallway. Near the control panels. He's in the coffee shop. Sprinting. He ran. He's in the salon. He's in the elevator. He's in the elevator. He's going out of the elevator now.
I'm getting
Is
so
this-
stressed. Oh my god.
Okay, now he's near the exit where the computer is, and now he's going somewhere in the red car. And now, always in the control room. Go to the control.
Oh, just hack the computers!
Shh.
What's he doing?
I do not know.
He's upstairs. Computer areas. He's going down. He's near.
Don't sing
Okay, wait.
Don't
He's
sing
the
in my
elevator.
area.
He's
You
near
would
the
know.
elevator. He's near the elevator. He's now in the room yung control. Yung walang control panel. Sa elevator, yan na po. Nandun na po siya sa hallway. Yan na po. Pupunta na po siya. Yan na po. Pupunta na sa control room ulit. Yan na po. Ayun na po. Nagsipunta po siya. Wala naman po siya nakita. Yan na po. Nandun na po siya sa red carpet room. Ayun na po. Silingin niya na po yung yung mga...
Ako, punta naman siya sa airplane. Pupunta naman siya China. Lilipad na siya.
China? Ba't China? Gusto ko Canada.
He's near a computer. He's near the exit. He's now going inside, and now he's walking, and now he's in the red carpet room. There's these cases. In the control panel.
Ano?
Yeah. Okay, ikaw naman, Arika. Ikaw naman.
Punta siya dun.
Ano ba yan?
Punta siya dun.
Frick me! Frick me!
Andun siya na dun. Ay, nag-punta siya sa garage. Ayun na po, nagsipilit po siya. Ayun na po.
Oh,
Okay, wait.
Frick me!
Hacker!
oh.
Hacker!
Give me a chance! Give me a chance! Second chance, second ML, please! I'm begging you!
Leave!
I'm begging! I'm begging!
Leave!
Twerking.
Leave!
No, yun na.
Nope!
Muntik na.
Nope. Girl, you are too late.
Darn it!
Nope.
How does he know? Why is he so smart? I never knew I would say that about him.
Ikaw kasi.
Guys, okay, 13 level 67, 1 for 11, level 67.
Okay, 0 na yung peace chance ko, so... Ito.
Ako 48.
Okay.
Guys,
Hey, what's your beast chance, guys?
Sa akin, 0.
What about you? What about you, Arika?
I have 36.
I also have 36.
ay, dito tayo. Bakit yung pinili ng map?
Ay, Ning.
Akala nyo ako beast, no? Akala nyo, no?
Pebble strike.
O si Ari ka. Kanik.
Sabi mo?
What'd you say?
Ari ka, please.
Hindi ka rin.
First scream.
Dito ka.
Arika, your scream was so loud.
Pond, kung asan ako. Are you kidding me?
Hello, my friend.
Are you real or fake?
Magagamper na.
O, diba? Di mo mabawas guys, oh. Ba't kaya?
She's still camping though. Malapit lang siya sa akin.
Gamper.
Gramber.
Grumpy. I'm grumpy.
Mami. Han?
Gambur. Grambur.
Gambur. Dito ako whole set. Nasa whole set ako eh.
Kaya nyo na yan.
Bro.
Malaki na kayo.
Come save you. My battery is good. You know.
Low.
Time. No. Oh. Dumb.
I was following behind you.
Great.
Please get.
I even recorded it, Arika.
No.
Jacob, what did you
Good
do?
job,
I saw you do 360.
I was clicking E. Bro.
Okay, I think you to save us.
Wait, furry cake. I will give you a cake that's a furry, okay? Wag mo ako i-dig.
Huwag mo ko ikikila kasi friend tayo.
Burnik, wag. Burnik.
Burnik, bilisan mo! About to die! Kurt!
Oh my gosh. Oh no, she's gonna eat me though.
Thank you.
She's gonna eat me though. She's gonna eat me.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You shut the door on me! And now she'll shut the world on you. Run,
Sorry,
Chico! Run, Chico!
You're gonna quit. You're gonna.
Rana uhibong
Run.
wet. Rana uhibong wet. Ana uhibong wet.
Ano po po?
Chinelo ba?
I just juked her.
Juke!
Tignan niya na buffet yung puwet ko, guys. Nakakatot.
Guys, I'm hit. SOS alert. SOS. SOS alert, please.
Hindi ako makakapit na.
My battery's getting low.
Arka! Remember that time and it was grade 6 and then frick.
Arka.
Uy, galing yung
Do you
Miko.
remember when he was? That when he was.
Johan, that's your fault now.
And you was like this. He was like
He was like,
that.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Kurt, that's your fault now. Sorry. It's just-
Bitch, I'm not sleeping here.
Your fault. Okay, guys.
Hold on. I'll save you. Trust me.
Come. She's trying to find a way to come.
Paano kaya? Buenos
Balik ka dito!
dias de Almoranas. Run.
Oh.
Buenos dias de Almoranas.
Run, Burj Khalifa. Run.
Bilis.
No.
Yes.
Burj Khalifa. You can't do this. Arika, I'm your best friend.
Where
Why
are your
would you-
best friends? Ano ba yan, Burj Khalifa? Hello, Dubai.
Bershman Khalifa.
Burj Street. one freeze and one gets hit. It's a
Hi. Hi, guys.
Bro.
Guys.
Please.
Hey, Arika, look. Behind you. My battery's getting low.
Guys, nag-stalker siya, pero kita ko na saan siya. Great play!
What is my graph?
Arika, hit the freezer. Go near the fridge. Oh my god. Do it again. Hit the freezer.
Ako nga.
Yeah, yoko nga.
Hindi ko kita yun ah.
Yoko nga.
My battery's getting.
Nakastop.
Ba't ka naka-stalker? Kitang-kita ka namin.
Hi, guys.
Sali ako dyan.
Uy, naiiyak ko. Wait lang.
Wait, she can double jump and just get here. Wait, let's
Genuinely
hear try.
po. Feel like, nga na.
Hindi kaki.
Oh. Ganda.
Aray. Ang sakit.
Ouch!
Binalo siya ulit.
Hinahanap ba kita?
Yeah, keep looking at me.
Ikaw, that was weird. Yeah. Looking at me. Yeah. Keep watching me.
Yeah.
Hindi kaki. Buri kaki.
She hit the stairs and then the vibration hit my toe.
Stop.
Please. I gotta go now, you guys.
Seriously?
Inventory yung bukas. You have to go early or at every spot fill.
Hey, come on.
Gala?
Filibusturimis, oh. Filibusturimis.
El filibusterista mo.
Okay, guys.
Guys.
Ginagkapa.
Okay, guys. racist. Coachella 25.
Racist boy! Racist boy!
Bye-bye, Coachella 25.
Bye.
Yahan, can you post it on your YouTube channel?
I will. If I, like,
Ano YouTube channel mo? Ngalan.
it's Cal. Oh, galing niya guys.
Sabi guys.
Nahulog sa hagdan.
Natamaan ako nun ah. Sakit.
Oh my God.
Buenos
Help.
dias. No.
Aray ko.
Help. Help.
Ito, ayaw makuha.
I know what I gotta do.
Help. Bro.
Kuha ka na.
What on earth?
Oh. Ala.
Oh. Kala mo ah.
Arika, can you face the freezer and then hit the freezer? No, like, keep going. Ayaw niya. So, Johan, I swear.
Don't worry, I got this. Like, Right
Nag-stalkerish. She's aiming for me.
No, I aim whoever gets in my sight first. Because it literally cannot play in first person
Yes, you can.
like properly.
Keep it close!
Oh no.
She's ever all at once. 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. 14. 14. She knows. She knows. And she knows!
Finally!
Alright,
Hello.
Hey, wait. My internet's unstable. Oh my god. My internet's getting low. Oops, I disconnected.
Bye. Sabi ng mama ko tulog na daw ako eh. Bye-bye.
Uy.
Oh,
Whoa.
ihi
Hey.
ako.
Ay, ihi ka? Actually, me too. We're back.
Somebody come get her.
Hello? I'm a bit nervous, but is it okay if I ask? Um, la, la, it's turning me on. Actually, no.
Tara, wait lang.
Ano?
Tignan mo to.
Shiday mo, no? Ano? Uy, nag-live.
Oo.
I already,
Nood mo, nood.
I think I already know what's coming up.
Okay, nood mo lang.
Tingnan natin guys kung tama
Open mo
ako.
na. Open mo na.
Not yet, loading.
Loading.
There.
There.
Okay. Palitan natin.
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan?
Heck.
Hmm.
Hey, cars.
We car.
Ay, bagyan on mode.
AI.
AI. Baho.
To, ano to? Ba't di pa kita R34?
Just put a random
Just
character.
put a random character.
And then, yeah.
And then, yeah.
Ano yan?
Ano yan?
Hmm. Ay, wait lang. Di ako ganito.
Siya incognito guys.
Incognito guys.
Mahuli ka sa history
Huli ka
mo.
sa system mo.
Sasabihin na mo.
Sasabihin na mo.
R34.
R34.
Tiga mo.
Is that my name?
Is that my name?
What is this?
Ako pala yan.
Ako pala yan.
No, I don't like that. Ano ang home dito?
Animal Crow?
Animal Crow?
Ano to? Ah, ito.
Ano ba yan, ate?
Ano ba yan at?
Hey, do you get
Hey,
turned?
do you get
Do you get turned on from
you
that?
get turned on from that?
You know what?
Turned on from that?
Turned on from that?
No? What the fuck?
Darn it.
Darn it.
This AI? This
Duh.
one?
Duh.
Look, it's obvious.
Ew!
Like,
Yeah, but like, it's so disgusting. Why is it like that?
ano kayo prompt
Ano
nila?
kayo prompt nila?
Prompt.
Hmm?
What the frick? Bro has a rosebud.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, that's enough.
Going through that website, tabad yan. No, that's for big, good boys. Big boys.
Ayan. Sige, tama na. Basa-basa na pante ko.
Sabi mo?
那个真是你晚在浴室上打仗了。
I'm way on a gay K.
Shut the fuck up.
Girl, you shut up. Oh, this is gonna do so good.
Anywho.
Anyhow.
It's 11:36. I don't think my parents would be well happy with that. I need to get some night's rest. I just think. What the fuck?
Yeah, girl, you're gonna make me choke on my bread. Uy, nag-leave!
Joke lang.
Eme lang! April Fool!
Tara, one last Roblox.
Sige.
Ano raro?
Saan ko tatanungin?
Ano raro? Di ko alam.
Hindi ko rin alam. Hindi na lang.
Di ko rin alam. Ano na lang?
Eto. Hindi, wag yan. Mag-aaway tayo niyan.
Eto. Ay, hindi, wag yan.
Bakit?
Patay mo ako dyan.
Tama. Ito, oh.
Sige. Sige, di ako... What game?
Here.
You know I can't join.
Oh, yeah. Time Bomb Duels.
Go.
That's right.
Ganito sabi mo, ganito sabi mo. Sige, time bomb duo.
Time bomb duels.
Bombs. Hindi to.
Anong boobs?
As bomb 2 player, obe.
No! Anong to? That is the name. Time bomb duels.
Duels.
Yeah.
So, isa duos. Duo.
Girl.
Duel. Ganito na lang. Time bomb duel.
Okay, where are you? It says you joined. Oh, there you are.
Okay. Yep, there you are. Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Copycat. Okay.
to?
Stand on that.
Is this supposed to be a tycoon?
No. Ready?
What is this?
Ready.
No.
Mag-ready kasi.
Oh. Ito pala. Hindi ko kita eh. Ito. I know this game.
Juke.
Uy! Duke!
Juke? Booty hole, that's unfair.
Clutch yun. Clutch.
Ikaw? Bye-bye. Easy
Go.
win. Only pass the bomb once. Oh shoot!
Wag. Baho kasi. Inis. Lag ako eh, lag.
Ako rin eh.
Oh! Lu! Oh!
Just games.
Lag mo. Iba level naman, iba level. Kala niya pro siya.
For shit.
Katawa.
Easy win.
Lag ako. Bakit ganon?
Uy! Bre?
Pwede ba mag-iba ng map or no?
How do we actually finish this? Like first to 5, I guess?
I don't know.
Hacker. Oh nga.
I win. Simon. Saan na ka?
Gito ah.
Iba map. Sige, hanap sa iba map.
I win, ha?
Tayo.
Ayan na, may spleef. Eto.
Sige.
Ready.
Okay.
Taba.
Wait. Okay.
Ito ka.
Lo. Ayoko na.
Uy!
Wag ako, boss. Wag ako, boss. Boss. Lo. Hindi pasa.
Easy wine. Uy! Ako na naman nga ni. Ayan.
Wag ako nga ni eh. Oh. Alang oh. Huy. Hindi siya katawa.
Ako na naman.
Hindi.
Uy! Nga ni. Dito ako. Uy! Nga ni. Wait lang nga ni. Yan.
Tae mo kasi. Uy!
Easiest
Ano
win
man
of the
lang
all
ako,
game. Patay,
Ba't ako pumunta doon?
mamatay ka
What
pa
the fuck?
una. Aray! Daddy's not rage baiting. Uy! Ito ka, bata ka. Yan. Okay lang ako, I don't need a bomb. Where are you going? Paano yung nakapasa sa akin?
Galing ko kasi.
Hindi.
Joke lang po, joke lang po,
Galing mo.
joke lang.
O, sa'yo na lang yun. Kung galing ko, di ba?
Oo.
Where are you going?
Kala ko napasa ko sa'yo kasi naglag ako.
Diyan talaga ako, guys. Nandyan.
Tayo
Saan naman?
sa
Ay,
halo.
sali tayo dito. Sali tayo dito.
Sige.
Ay, mali na.
Ano,
Nasa
team
game
ka?
sila. Mababaho.
Bayan.
Saan tayo?
Dito. Game pa sila. Dyan. May tao dyan.
Taas?
Free for all o free for all na?
Sige. Join.
Join.
Join. Join. Just click
Ano?
the
This. Ako agad. Lu. Huy.
Bilis!
Galing
Ikaw
ka.
na naman.
Lu, come on.
Suma sa akin. Ikaw? Ako na naman. Ako na naman. What's happening?
Huy. Lag ako.
Sa'yo na yan. I love how these people are just performing these random chef walk tricks at nakuha niya naman yung bomb. Tulad ng TikTok.
Destino.
Like ano ginagawa nila, ikot-ikot, 360, 120. At nakuha naman nila yung bomb.
Ako, nasa akong bomb naman. Doon pa siya sa gilid eh. Uy! Joke lang! Uy! Galing ko! Uy! May streak ako! Streak! Uy!
TikTok stick natin, namatay.
Lalag ako
Yan ang
eh.
maikot-ikot siya, oh, parang siyang balyo. Washing machine ba siya?
Eh! Lag ako eh! Patay ako eh! Kainis man.
Ikot-ikot sila, guys, para sila mga ano, fidget spinner. Ay, tinulang manok. Uy, tinulang manok.
Malok.
Darn it.
Yes sila oh.
Hey!
Eh.
Koto!
Hindi ko kita lag ako.
Don't mess with the Zilla. Obey the Zilla. Buzzilla! Dino destruction! Ito ka! Come on! This game's unfair. His favoritism towards girls.
What? You're a girl.
Shut
What
up.
the fuck?
Inulang man.
Dito sa may streak, bigay mo. Yan na nga yan.
You're risking to die.
Server region pala, Tokyo tayo, Tokyo.
I feel so Japanese. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Namaste yo!
Uy, namaste! Namaste!
Balik mo na ako.
Namaste. Ay, Jessica Soho. Wag! Jessica Soho, wag!
Oh, I didn't even realize I was holding a bomb.
Ay. Aray!
Yan.
Pre. I could put this bomb up their butt and they would still not get it. Burihang! Burihang!
Burya!
Yung streak! Patay mo yan! Papansin yan, tinolang manok. Uy, cool lang guys. Goods lang tayo guys. Goods lang tayo. Goods lang tayo. Goods lang tayo. Goods lang tayo. Oh, puri kake.
Oh, no!
Takbo! Alakan! Savage love.
Savage love!
Easy win.
Pokemon!
Oh,
Pokemon!
ito.
Maputut! Yay! Ayoko na!
Give it! Kill the streak! Kuya naman, tinulang manok. Uy, savage love.
Bro just accepted his fate! Oh, hell no.
Ito fate mo.
Ano ako sa'yo? Higay ko ulit sa'yo.
Yan yung Uy! Babae! Sino yan?
Uy, girl! Uy! Patay ako!
Fushibakazu. Hey,
Wish back to. Salamat po.
you're welcome.
Nice!
Uy, Buenos Dias! Darn it! Etong tinolang manok. Sige.
Patay niyo sa tinolang manok.
What?
Don't kill them.
Buenos Dias. Aray mo. Subukan mo. Subukan mo. Run. Yes, you killed it.
Yes! I did it! Patay manok ko.
Tinolang manok.
Lag na ako.
Unicorn girl. Ooh. Aray. Ay. Uy, uy. Ikaw?
Utak ko to.
Tanong ba ako? Aray! La! Uy! Hey guys! Hey everybody! Tinolang manok.
Guys, chill lang, chill lang. Bati tayo, diba? Bati tayo, guys.
Goods lang tayo, goods lang tayo.
Guys, di ba wala namang masamang, ano, hindi ba dito, no? Yun. And good vibes lang.
Good vibes lang. Nagpasa lang ako ng bomba. Good vibes.
Good vibes lang tayo, guys.
Stick together. Oh, thank you.
Balik sa'yo, balik sa'yo! Nakatahan na ito!
Ayaw mo sana sa na wipe. Pinatay mo ako.
Ang galing ko. Ang sa akin.
Tinolang manok. Patay mo yan. Wait, si Bedwar 04 streak. Bawal yan ah. Not on aking relo.
Aking relo.
Not on my watch. Watch list, wag!
Huwag ako wag! Yung tama yan. Ubo siya.
Ah, ito.
Ano to? Lo, lib na ako, lib. Mana?
Rinig ka na ng mama mo, ng papa mo, ng ate mo, ng... Ano ba yan?
Kasi, basta na puki ko, gusto ko na mag-masturbate.
Ano ba yan, ate? Ano sinasabi mo dyan?
Okay, joke lang. Siyempre. Ano ka ba? Mag-ano na lang tayo.
Ka ba?
Mag-ano tayo?
Ano?
Let's play. Hex Puzzles Adventure. Ay, hindi, wag yan. Ang tawag doon, Gartic Pond.
Mamaya na yan, tinatamad ako.
Bakit?
Sakit?
Dito sa discard. Dito sa discard. Diba meron? Gartic.
Pwet.
Wala na. Gartic Pond dito. Discord. Daya mo na.
Discard kita discard.
Huwag na lang tayo ng...
Ano?
Tunog mo to. Katunog mo to.
Ayoko niyan.
Do we do now? I have an idea. Let's go to sleep.
Yeah, go there. Balak
Bro,
dyan.
if this computer like had a camera, I would turn it on the whole time and then we'll do Junko poses. Then I'll stick on my tongue and cross my
Okay,
eyes.
girl, that's
and-
enough. Tama na yan, ah. It's like, it's kinda getting worse, and then I'm kinda getting
Teka.
concerned.
Tignan mo to.
Shiday mo, no?
Tignan mo to. Tignan mo.
Shiday mo, no?
Okay. Yan. Tignan mo to.
Mm-hmm.
Tignan mo.
Ay, kuya, recording nito naging 1 hour ulit. Bye-bye, guys. Outro.